Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm out with the family, the kids, Leanne, Bud and Missy, and we're going to go ferreting. We're literally just up the road from where we live, or from where Leanne lives, and there's a few horse fields here. And when I was lamping the other night with a thermal, I seen about 30 rabbits, so I just thought it'd be a nice little spot to nip out to with the kids and take them ferreting. Yeah, it was lovely and warm yesterday and the day before that. I was hoping for the same again today, but it's turned out to be quite misty. There's a bit of rain and a little bit cold.
Look at her feet, her feet look so weird. As soon as we came here, she was like,
oh, there's going to be lots of babies again.
oh look! I know what.
Fell. Fell. Fell.
You said you were holding, I said you were holding my hand.
Go on then, let's go. Go on lads.
We don't want to do that other one over there.
You doing it? Elijah, you going under the fence? You okay?
Are we going to walk far away?
No.
Mama. I never could. Are we going to get these rabbits?
It's recording.
And I love Mummy, the ferret's so cute. Don't let the ferret bite you.
I'd say do that. I'd say do that one. Put him in.
There you go.
Look how cute.
One time.
He's pulling. Why are we recording?
Mom! Mom! Mom!
What is it?
It's up there in the that.
Oh,
I
my God.
did not realise that. I was like, what? Jesus Christ!
Oh, Papa missed that.
I never seen this. Oh,
Missy.
He's a bug. Mom. What are you waiting for?
Bud caught it. So Bud's the best.
Be another warren in there. It's definitely getting a lot of use. Leanne, yeah. Just gonna let this one out. I'll have to wait for the kids.
oh, that scared me.
Quick, get Titch out.
Sorry.
Yeah, but we're trying to find. Is that net to like just slow it down a bit?
No, just get strapped.
Catch it in it completely.
Got him.
Is it recording?
Took ages, didn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was literally just saying, wasn't I?
She must have been hiding. There might have been like a little bit in there. Where there was
No, they've been
hiding.
chasing around for ages.
I'm going to get
The ferret, quick, get the ferret!
Go on, get him.
Don't lose him. Like we lost like
He's
most
been
of.
proper scrapping now.
I know. You could hear them thudding, like the thudding.
Missy, go on.
that
Dirty
was my
person.
I definitely didn't think we were going to bolt that one.
No, I was getting to the point where I was thinking,
I thought you might have had to go home and leave me here to dig this ferret out.
I know.
Done
and
well.
as well, yeah.
I wondered what was going on in there.
You came to that hole. I seen its head come to the hole, but it's seen me.
It's not even that big of a space that it's probably in either.
No.
It's just in that.
No, it's only little, but
They must. I think they was wrestling.
chasing it, wasn't it? You could hear them.
I couldn't, but that first one, none of us even knew. I was just talking to Mum and then it came
Still
out.
don't understand though. I still don't understand where all them rabbits are going. What I seen the other night. I must have seen easy 30 rabbits on there. No, we need to get back because the kids are getting upset.
Yeah.
Especially Pearl, she's been crying for the past
I
like
don't
3
think
hours.
Pearl's been too impressed with this trip. No. Yeah, I don't know what's the matter with her.
But like you can see them all now. She's been.
I don't like
We
when
used it for a
Daddy
poo
got
bag,
them.
didn't we?
This is disgusting. I don't ever want to watch. Kids don't
Yeah,
look.
Elijah just said he doesn't like it when Daddy guts them.
Kids don't look. Don't look.
Daddy, but
Can you see the ferrets?
Oh.
That's right.
That's disgusting.
2 yummy rabbits for 2 yummy boys. Yeah, present from Daddy.
No, Andrew. Why is that one blood so much darker? Oh, that's
It's
enough.
weird how different they are.
I know, they both got different types of blood.
Well, that was hard work with the kids. I'm lucky Leanne's so patient, to be honest. Just walking back home now. Literally 5 minutes away from where we've been ferreting. Got 2 rabbits. And now we need to get the kids fed. Get them ready for nursery. So yeah, nice couple of hours ferreting. Kids have been well behaved. No moaning. Take your boots off.
Hot drinks all round, I think.
Can we have a hot chocolate, Mum?
Hot chocolates all round.
Daddy, why are you going to show that? Dad, there may be some powder bath.
Trying to jump out of the bath?
Dad,
Are you trying to jump out of the bath, Titch?
Dad.
You've got to be bigger if you want to jump out of the bath. Haven't you?
Dad. Daddy, when you put our food there, we put it.
Look at Big Ritch.
Rich.
Yay! He's clever, isn't he?
Oh, the monkey jumped off. Oh, I know. Papa. Need to go. I'm too free.
You want an ice cream?
So I decided to make rabbit jerky with the rabbit, or one of the rabbits that we caught whilst we was out ferreting. I was planning on using both rabbits. I do like to catch 2 rabbits if I'm going to make something to eat. Then there's a bit more meat between the family. Alright. Rio, Phoebe.
Oh my god.
Ah! Just trying something.
No.
Okay, I made some rabbit jerky with that rabbit that we caught ferreting. A little bit more chewy.
Isn't that nice?
Probably better using smoked patty
Tastes like I'm eating cardboard.
rather than hot sauce.
You don't really record the peach that you're eating. Eddie, are you trying it?
You're trying to hide it, you don't like it.
No, because they're overcooked.
I'm overspiced.
I'm recording.
One minute. See, that's alright for me. If I just want something to chew on. Yeah, I like it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, good hunting. What should they do, Rio?
Press the notification bell.
Follow, like, subscribe, like, and
You're-
turn on post notifications.
Say that louder. You're as bad as me. Say it again.
Subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications.
Alright, you heard it from the kids. Make sure you do it. Otherwise, I'll send them after you. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.